Hey y'all, welcome back to Adventuring with Amanda. Thank you for being here. Winston and I are packing up for Quartzsite for the weekend. So I had a really busy week at work and I ended up not wanting to go out there this week because I needed to be in front of my desk. But I'm packing up, so I have my rock pals. I packed my super thick hippie sweatshirt as well as this new one that my mom got me. And then I just did laundry, so I have like some towels and things to put in there, some wipes. I have my heating pad. I even decided I'm gonna pack a couple of puppy pads because they're super useful, so I'm just gonna throw them in my van. I don't really know what for, but just in case. So this video is just going to be kind of an inventory of me packing up the van today. Tell you guys what, it's cold today. Cold for Amanda is 57. Yikes. Alright, so got my heating pad, got my clothes, got my power stations. I'll be filling up my fridge. Extra blankets, brought my big comforter. So I have, well actually, what do I have under here? Oh yeah, okay, I have my big king size fleece blanket. So that's good. I need to put my clothes away. Oh yeah, I have Winston's skull sweater, and then he has this jacket from Land's End. I also made sure I had my toilet paper. I packed my wipes and the puppy pads, so there's that stuff. Socks and undies already packed. Do I have my... Oh, yep, okay, I have my creamer, my coffee, all that stuff. I mean, this stuff is important. Okay. All right. Good. Moving on. Okay, friends, we're pretty much set. I snagged my gloves since we're going to a bonfire tonight and it's going to be cold. So I grabbed my gloves and my beanie. Packed my hygiene caddy, of course. So here's all of Winston's stuff ready to go. And then my cheddar and sour cream ruffles, because that's what I'm going to eat for the next 3 days. Just kidding. That's just some of my food stuff. So yeah, okay, that's good. And then I need to put my camping chair in here still, but I added my sweatshirts, another blanket, a pillow, and oh yeah, I also plugged in my fridge to my 12 volt with my 12 volt thing because I'm going to power my fridge as I'm driving to Quartzsite. I have an hour and a half drive, so I'll use that for the power. And then once Winston and I arrive, I'll plug it into my rock pals. I also packed my boots because even though it's really not like that cold during the day, like it's not cold enough for my boots during the day, they'll be nice for tonight. So, of course, I also have my water. Down there is my tool bag, and I also packed pellets for my collapsible toilet. So, Winston and I are pretty much ready to hit the road. I just have to fill up the fridge with the rest of our cold food items. So we just got to Quartzsite. The sun is going down. We're running out of daylight, but yeah, so I just found a brilliant place to put Winston's water bowl. Look at that. Oh my God. It's a collapsible one, so it's like sitting in there. I can't believe it. That is so brilliant. I just wanted to show you guys that. Okay. I have to make my kid dinner because he's yelling at me. Priorities. This is me sitting in my van with everything a mess because Winston had to eat his dinner. So I need to put my reflectix up and everything, but it's cold out. So, you know, we're in the van, but okay, time to poop. Okay, time to poop. Quartzsite has beautiful sunsets. Whew, but it's windy. So this is all I did in the van right now. I still have it running. but put together my toilet. I actually am using pellets in it instead of litter, so I'm going to try that out. My fridge is running on my Rock Pals, and I have all my blankets and stuff ready to go. Winston ate, so now he's just pooping. Gonna have to go pick that up. And just one more glimpse of this beautiful sunset. It's gorgeous. Time to make a night of it. Winston and I are settled in for the night. We're watching Captain Phillips. Have you ever seen that movie with Tom Hanks? Oh my god, I love it. I have it downloaded. My service right now is really iffy. But it's like peak time in Quartzsite to be using the internet. So Winston and I are just chilling. It's not cold enough to really get under the blankets yet, which is awesome. So we are just hanging out. I put my curtain up over my window. That window faces east, but I didn't put up my Reflectix because it's, supposed to get down to about 40 tonight. But if you don't put your Reflectix in your window, then it allows for your vehicle to warm up a lot quicker in the morning when the sun comes out. So I just kept my curtain up, and then I have that curtain up just because that is, you could see through the passenger window. So yeah, this is what we're working with. Just hanging out, watching our movie. Okay, everybody, this is our setup for the evening. I have my fridge hooked up to my Rock Pals right there. Have my curtain up. Have my Jackery sitting right there right now. I have my USB light plugged into it as well as my phone, and it's charging. I hang my keys right there at night. My tablet, I'm watching my movie, and I just got my blankets all ready. It's still not cool enough to get under my covers, so that's great. I'm confident Winston and I will be warm enough tonight. And then he is right here currently cleaning his toes, but he's been sleeping. He has a ton of blankets, so he'll be nice and warm tonight too. And then I have my little fairy lights right there in my mason jar and his water. So we are all set for the evening, and we'll see you in the morning. Good morning, everybody. Winston and I just woke up. My phone says 32 degrees, but we stayed nice and warm last night. I was very prepared with all my blankets, so it worked out. But the sun is just coming up, so it's not quite up yet, but yeah, it was a nice quiet evening, so we're gonna get our day started. It's time for coffee. So Winston and I are watching a movie. We actually moved spots because I had really crap service where I was at, and I didn't like it. So I moved, and I ended up actually going into town just to dump trash and stuff, but in any event, we're back. We found a new spot, and I put up my little table, and so now I'm just making my pour-over Kuju coffee. And as you can see, Winston is just chilling. It is a chilly morning here in Quartzsite, but it's nice and warm in the van. I have my solar outside charging both my Jackery and my Rock Pals, so they will continue charging while I enjoy my coffee and our movie. Kiddo and I are back at Scaddan Wash. This is where we are camping for the night. It's right down the street from the Hoarney Toad Bar and Saloon, which I just enjoyed. Love it. I have my solar up because my Jackery is currently running my fridge. And it's about 3:30, so it's beautiful out. Enjoying the sun in our afternoon before we have to batten down the hatches for the evening. All right, my friends, thank you so much for tuning in and watching this video as Winston and I get settled into Quartzsite. So stay tuned for more footage and content as we continue on the winter. And yeah, we'll see you guys soon.